Hey guys, thank you for watching. This is Perry Trade. This morning, I went ahead and traded the MNQ. This is my second trade for this week. Yesterday, I made a profit of $435. The market's up, as you know. Yesterday, NVIDIA earnings came higher than expected, so the market's up $200. So $200 right now, so it just popped up to $200. So market's doing well. Dow and the S&P are up slightly. Nasdaq look like it's rather higher than all the other markets. So right now I'm in a trade. This is live, and so I'm just watching the market. This is my second trade. I did take my first trade, waited after the pullback and went back in again. I do trade the market. I do rely heavily on the market and see how the market's doing. That dictates whether I go short or long. So I'm just going to write out this long trend. I have two contracts. First contract is 50 tick. The second contract is a runner. It moves up to break even, and so it's trailing the price 2 candle back. And I have these indicators that kind of help me tells me whether to take a trade or not. And also I rely on the news as well, and then pull back as well. So all depends on how the market's doing, how the news is doing. So I'm just going to wait it out until I get stopped out. And if market continuing, it looks like it's just jumping, so I may just get pulled back because you can see the market's going down and up. So when I look at the markets, if it's going down, the Nasdaq's going down, then you know that price might just pull back and I'll get stopped out. As long as price is going up, then I'll wait for the trend to the pullback happens, and then I'll wait for the trend to continue going up. So again, thank you for watching. If I do get into another trade, I'll do another video and show you. So thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.